What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to get clients very fast by working for free. Okay, now I actually got this tip from a fellow digital nomad who basically said, like, if you want to get a lot of clients very fast, offer them a 2-week trial where you'll work for them for free, help them get leads and grow their business. And then after those 2 weeks, you can sell them, you can charge them for the work that you do. Okay, so how do you get clients for free? All right, now, to a lesser degree, there's other companies that do this by offering a free trial, all right, which is essentially what you're doing. So let's say you want to execute this strategy, all right? What I've started to do, what I'll do is I will go here to Paigham Bot. Once again, for those of you who don't know, Paigham Bot is a data harvester and contact form submitter. I will go and upload a, what do you call it? Let's put a list in here. Let's do that one. Okay, so essentially what I'm doing, I'm loading a list of contact pages into the bot, which I will then use the posting tool to contact, it's around 100,000 businesses through this tool, or on this list. Okay, and what I'm going to write to them is something like this. Hi, I would like to work for you for free for 2 weeks by getting you more clients and managing your Facebook ad campaigns. If you're interested, go to my website, let me know. Okay, now this can be, like, I do marketing, so all of my examples obviously are going to be like marketing based, but you can do this for anything, right? Like, what's another example? Let's say you're a personal trainer. You can offer to train somebody. Like, I know a lot of trainers, they'll do like one free session to see if you like it, but imagine if you did 5 free sessions, right? Imagine how many people, like, who's gonna say no? Like, people, here's the thing. People are more likely to say no to 1 free session than they are to 5 free sessions, because in that 1 free session, they think that they're gonna be sold pretty hard. It's like more of a commitment almost to do 1 than it is to do 5. But if it's 5, they can get, like, not only will they feel less pressure, but they'll also kind of get a little bit better of a feel if you guys like working together, and if there's a good relationship there to begin with. Okay, so I'll show you guys exactly what I write in this. Now, this is my first iteration of this campaign, so I don't know how good it will be. And I also don't know if it's on this VPS. Is it? Yeah, Stuart ad copy. Name, Stuart, email, Stuart, ad copy masters, phone number. Let us manage your Facebook ads. Ooh, I should write that for free. That would be good. Save setup. Yeah, so let's just overwrite that. All right, so hey there, I'm from Ad Copy Masters, and we'd like to offer you a free 2-week Facebook ads management trial. We do everything for you, including creating your landing page, writing your ad copy, choosing the best target audience, and continuous testing throughout the trial. The trial is 14 days, and your only cost is whatever you decide to spend on Facebook ads, parentheses, paid directly to Facebook. We'll also provide free Facebook ad templates, and you can even keep the custom landing page we designed for you. If that sounds like something you're interested in, we need to proofread this crap. Book an appointment in our calendar, and we can hop on a call to work out the details. If not, have a nice day. Schedule here, and then Calendly, all right? Now let's break this down. What am I doing here? There's no fluff in this, right? I'm saying, hi, this is what we do, or basically, hi, this is what you get, free 2-week trial. This is what we are gonna do for you, all right? There's literally no extra words in here. And these are like some of the conditions, like sweetening the deal, like you don't pay us any money. All you do is pay Facebook for whatever your ad spend is, and do whatever you want, $100, $500. And you can keep the custom landing page and the free Facebook ad templates. Like, I mean, as long as I'm like a real person and not some like shady Eastern European, no offense to any Eastern Europeans watching this, then what are they gonna say, no? Like, maybe, but probably not. If that sounds like something you're interested in, book an appointment in our calendar and we can hop on a call to work out the details. If not, have a nice day. Now, this is super crucial, this step. Okay, now this is something that I just started doing with Paigham Bot that I actually have not done before with Paigham Bot, but what I used to do when I was just sending out a lot of cold emails. What I would do is I would send out my email outreach, and I would basically have a fairly in-depth cold email, like the one that I showed you just now. And then at the end, it would say like, hey, if you want to schedule a time to talk, click this link and set it up, right? And my count, like I was always getting notifications people would set up a time. Like everybody has time to talk on the phone for free about hiring you, you know, like business owners at least. If you get the right people on the phone, like you're not gonna get someone who, you know, a lower level person who schedules a time to talk on the phone with you. Occasionally it happens, but normally the people that jump at the chance are the business owners and the entrepreneurs, because those people, they're not trying to waste time. They're not gonna like hop on the phone to like waste your time. Unless, no offense to any Indian people watching this, unless they're Indian, in which case they will waste like your whole life. Okay, just kidding, but not really. Yeah, so anyway, make sure you include that Calendly link. Now, just to show you what Calendly looks like, calendly.com. Right, so this is it right here. Let's check out the pricing. Now, I believe, like I used to pay $8 a month, and looking at this, like I'm wondering why I paid $8 a month. I actually don't remember why I paid that, because you get everything on the free tier, right? Which is essentially just like using it as a calendar. Like you're essentially sending a link to people that says like schedule an appointment whenever you want, here's my availability, which is fairly useful. So you don't have to like do the back and forth like, oh, what about 11 on Tuesday? Like, no, I can't do 11, what about 1:30? And then like, you know, you don't have to do that. It's like, here's my calendar, pick a time, right? So it's pretty cool. So set up a free account here, and then just essentially copy that strategy and you're good to go. Cool. So what was I even talking about in this video? What was it even supposed to be about? Oh yeah, how to get clients fast by working for free. Now, the idea here, like we're using Paigham Bot. This is like a massive strategy. Like every time I run this, I get about 20, 30, like 30% success rate through this list. And that means about 30,000 successful deliveries. So I'm wondering, like normally I'll do, like, well, let's just try it, why not? So we'll do start. Oh, did I not? Oh, my bad. Okay, so start 21 threads, boom. Now I'll see in a couple days, or basically by tomorrow, I guess, if I actually get any people who schedule appointments through this. But I'm thinking that that they will, because why wouldn't they? You know, I'm not asking for their email address. I'm not like telling them to download my free PDF or anything like that. It's literally just like very straightforward. Like, yo, do you want to talk about me helping you out? Yes. Then click this link, set an appointment. Let's roll. You know what I mean? So I hope that made sense. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Now also what I've started doing in these videos, I'm like giving you guys the entire strategy here, right? What I do, because I make a lot of videos and I put a lot of affiliate links in them. So what I'm doing now is I'm also putting a link to my calendar in my videos as well, right? So like, let's say somebody's watching this video and they want to, you know, consult with me or join my coaching group or something like that and hire me to essentially like, let's say teach them how to make money online so that they can be a digital nomad and live in Thailand and travel and like live this like wonderful, happy, magical life that I for sure live and I have no problems whatsoever. If they want to do that, they book an appointment, and then when we get on the phone, I can pitch them on monthly coaching services. I can pitch them on a mastermind group. I can pitch them on enrolling in my course and what they get and blah, 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 all that stuff. Make sense? So definitely start using Calendly. Definitely start, you know, consider working for free for a little bit, especially if you're new, especially if you don't have any clients yet already. Definitely consider doing that. Cool. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. If you want to hop on a call, I'll put a link to my Calendly calendar thing in the description. If you like the video, click like and subscribe. Peace.